Types of photography. Photography. The word photography is derived from two Greek words, photos or phos for light, and graph for lines or drawing. Therefore, photography is described as drawing with light. Photography, creating drawable image, mga kinakapture na image. Importance of photography. Produced through an image forming device called a camera. The term camera, from Latin word camera obscura or dark chamber. Natural photography. Wildlife photography is a branch of nature photography focused on documenting animals in their natural habitats. Ang wildlife photography, ito yung mga napipicturan sa kanilang mga natural na tirahan sa mga kagubatan. Macro photography. Focus on microscope objective like snowflakes, water, droplets, and insects can be more fascinating. Ang macro photography naman, ito yung mga maliliit na bagay na kayang picturan ng malinaw. Kagaya ng mga guyam, pagpatak ng tubig. Underwater photography is the process of taking photography while underwater. It usually drawn while snorkeling or swimming. Animals, fish, and marine mammals. Underwater landscape and portraits or fellow divers. Ang underwater naman ay ito yung mga nagpipicture sa ilalim ng tubig. Pinipicturean ang mga corals, mga mammals. Yan. Astrophotography, also known as astronomical imaging, is the practices of photography, celestial objectives, and events. Ang astrophotography naman, ang mga pinipicture nito ay yung mga night sky, planet, mga galaxies. Aerial photography is art and science of capturing image from elevated position using aircraft like planes, helicopter, or drones. Ang aerial photography naman ay ito yung mga ang picture ay yung mga pataas. Galing sa taas sa baba ang paano ba ito? Pababa ang picture niya pero siya ay nasa taas. Aerial photography. Weather photography is an outdoor photography that concentrates on snow storms, hurricanes, sandstorm, hailstorm, and event thunderstorm. Ito naman yung mga disaster na pwedeng picturean gaya ng mga nakaraang yung Taal Volcano. Weather photography. People photography. Portrait photography and portraiture is photography of person, a group, people that display the expression personality like mood and objective. Nagpo-focus ito sa focus of the photograph is usually person face, although the entire body. Wedding photography is the photography of addictive activities relating to wedding, encompasses photography of couple before marriage for announcement, portrait display, or thank you cards. Ang wedding photography naman po ay pag sa kasal, pipicturean, mga picture taking. Indoor photography. Ang indoor photography naman ay like mga church, temple, or mga private venue. Ang outdoor photography sa mga park, beach, engagement. Ang photojournalistic ay mga candid, wedding couple, civil ceremony, reception. Yun. Ang formal portraiture for either wedding and the engagement photo. Documentary usually refers to the popular form photography used to chronicle significant historical event. It is typically convert professional photojournalism of academic pursuit. Ang documentary naman ay ito yung mga truthful na kwento. Objectives conveyed Photojournalistic containing mga breaking news and stories. Sports photography. Ito yung may mga candid shot, yung mga hindi inaasahang pagpicture sa larangan ng mga laro. Street photography. Photography focus capturing candid and post moment of everyday life spaces. Event photography. Gathering occasion, mga pagpipicture sa mga piyesta, sa mga traditional na nakasanayan natin. Sa mga travel photography naman ay yung mga pagka ikay mga nagta-travel, mga nakasakay ka sa mga aeroplano, kinukuhan mo ng picture. Man-made photography. Yung mga nag-ano ka ng mga product, tawag doon. Pinopromote mo ang mga product upang gawing commercial para mas makita ng mga tao kung anong product ang iyong tinitinda. Food photography. Food used in advertisement packaging, menus or cookbooks. Architectural. Focus on capturing building structure both interior and exterior for various purposes including documents. Abstract photography. Photographic style that prioritize elements and color, texture, shape, and for other representation of recognizing subject or scene. Forensic photography. Ito ay ginagamit sa mga crime scene photography. Pinipicturean mga ebidensya